This will be a very quick video. Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. I want to show you an update about ArtSpace because they just launched a very cheap lifetime deal. Maybe you already know ArtSpace. I made different videos about it here on my channel, and if you take a look here on my channel, I just released this video some weeks ago with the new update and the latest AI models for image generation here in ArtSpace. I'm talking about the Nova Ultra and Stellar Pro models. So this is a very big update because now you can generate very good images. If you take a look at this gallery, you can see the kind of images you can generate. These are all images generated by users, in this case with Stellar Pro, but again, just take a look at this gallery or take a look at my previous video so you can see by yourself how good these new models are in generating images. This is pretty good, for example. And now they released a new lifetime deal. This is a restyled homepage. Obviously, you can find the link in the description. Now you can get your lifetime deal for ArtSpace for just $49 lifetime. And you can generate 250 images each month. You also have some credits each month for AI face swap, for example, in painting, extend images, remove background, and so on. Obviously, if you can, as always, I suggest you to choose this plan, the unlimited one, because all is unlimited for just $249 lifetime. So this is one payment, and you also will have the new updates in the next months and next years. But if you are unsure, you can start with this lifetime deal, $49, and once you get it, maybe you like it, and maybe you can upgrade to one of the other plans if you choose to do it. And if you click on the link in the description and go to this page, when you try to exit this page, you can also get a 10% off discount. So again, $49 less 10%. This is a pretty good deal. I think it's the cheapest lifetime deal they ever made, and the cheapest lifetime deal you can find to generate 250 images each month with ArtSpace. And if you don't know how to use it, I made different videos again here on my channel. You can check them out. You have an expert mode or you have a simple mode if you want. You have different options, but the user interface is pretty easy to understand. I don't think you will have any problem, any issue. And again, let's take a look at some images. As you can see, you can generate something like this by using the Nova Ultra model. This is perfect for this kind of images. And if you prefer to generate people, well, maybe you can use the other model, the Stellar Pro, very good in generating people images. And again, these are all images generated by users, again Nova Ultra in this case. Since the beginning, ArtSpace has become a very good tool, very quality tool. You can also generate images with text inside, and now with this new lifetime deal you can try it out for a very little price. So that's it. This was this quick update for ArtSpace AI. I hope you like this new lifetime deal. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video.